you lose what the car is about. This is a BMW. This is a little car. You wouldn't put big tires on there, wouldn't fit. Some of you will have your parents' cars. This is the typical high school area. All tires would not make the car drive as well. Are tire costs covered by insurance? No, they're covered by you. Great question. Insurance does not cover tires. They cover the car, the driver, and if you hit something. Good question. Talked about creeping up, talked about tires, windshield wipers. This is what a windshield looks like when the blades are worn down. I'll say it again. Ignoring windshield wiper film and old wiper blades. This happened to us in the driver's ed car one time. My student was driving. I could tell the blades were worn out. I'm like, stop. We got to go to the auto parts store. Okay. I told him, you're going to tell the year, make, and model of the car. You get them. He got them. I made him put them on. He learned something. A dirty windshield doesn't always look dirty. It just makes headlights smear and night driving feel stressful. The inside film that blurs up over time turns into glare and the visual picture. Hired wipers make rain feel more dramatic. So this is what it'll look like if you have an old windshield wiper. I love this. It usually lasts about a year and a half. If you live in a warm weather climate, they might dry rot and crack. Are there different windshield? Yes, they are. You can buy cheaper ones. They all do the job. You can buy $5 ones, $15 ones, $20 ones, $80 ones. But let's go back to our other car. Teachable moment. Do you think this car has $10 windshield wiper blades? No. Do you think this car has $50 windshield wiper blades? No. High performance If you can ever drive a car like this, everything is expensive. Premium gas, premium brakes, premium tires. You're premium, because this is not a car, this is an experience. You understand this? Driving is an experience. How are we supposed to tell if they are worn down? They smear. Let's go back to the picture. They smear. They don't clean the windows. You see the picture. They don't clean the windows. Assuming you have automatic headlights. Modern dashboards stay bright even when the exterior lights aren't on, which tricks people into thinking they're visible. Check your lights, check your indicator. It only takes a second. And it prevents you from becoming the gray car that disappears in the sunset or in the horizon. Okay? Most of your cars have daytime running lights. Okay? Are there different windshield wiper blades? Yes. Your parents' F-150 truck has a different size blade than this car. Okay? Every car is a different size. Okay? This smaller car has a different size blade than this car. A semi-truck has a different windshield wiper blade. Each of these cars have different size blades. I love the visual example. Let's keep going. Riding the brake downhill. Some of you will do this. Light pressure on the brake can feel controlled, yet it heats up the brake pads. It reduces the power you need later. Using the car's gears, you might have to downshift into a lower gear. Keep your speed steady. How do we prevent dry rot? Keep your car in shaded areas. The direct sun on the blades will dry it out. When you're in school, that sun is beating down. Look at your blades, they can be cracked. Obey navigation prompts at all costs. This is the generation you grew up in. Some of you can't read signs yet, so you're going to rely on your navigation. Navigation apps can be helpful and still can be wrong, especially when it calls for a last-second exit or an awkward turn. Taking the next safe option, rerouting you, keeps you from swerving. So you got to learn how to read maps, and a lot of you don't. Why? I'm a geography teacher. Type in what you learned, please and thank you. Type in what you learned. Give me 3 complete sentences on what you learned. 3 complete sentences on what you learned.